Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now in the search bar at the top, type App Lock and tap on it when it appears. At the bottom, tap Turn On. Here, set your pattern lock or pin. Draw the pattern again to confirm. You may be asked to sign in with your mobile account. For example, I'm being asked for my Xiaomi account. If you don't want to, just tap Not Now to skip. Next, uncheck the apps you don't want to lock and tap on Use App Lock. Now verify your fingerprint if prompted. Scroll through the list, find the apps you want to lock and simply turn them on. Make sure to also lock the Play Store by switching it on. And that's it. From now on, whenever someone tries to open the Google Play Store on your phone, they will need to enter the password, pattern or fingerprint you set. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.